If you look at your tire and see shiny wires, cords, or metal-looking strands poking through the rubber, that is not a small cosmetic issue. That tire is telling you it has gone past worn out. And the big question most people ask is, can I still drive on it for a little while? In this video, I'll explain exactly what those wires are, why they're showing, how dangerous it is, and what you should do next, without panic, but without guessing. Tires are easy to ignore until something looks obviously wrong, and exposed wires are one of those signs you should never brush off. I've seen plenty of drivers say, it still holds air, or it only looks bad on one edge, or I just need to get through the week. But a tire with wires showing is no longer safe for normal driving. It has lost part of the rubber layer that protects its internal structure. And once that happens, the tire can fail much more easily. Let's break it down in plain English. When people say a tire has wires showing, they're usually talking about the tire's internal reinforcing material becoming visible. Inside most modern tires are layers of very strong material that help the tire keep its shape, carry the weight of the vehicle, and stay stable at speed. These layers can include steel belts, which are flat layers of steel cords under the tread, or other reinforcing cords built into the tire. The tread is the rubber part that touches the road. It gives you grip for braking, turning, and driving in wet conditions. That tread is also supposed to protect the tire's inner structure. So when you can see wires, cords, or belt material, it means the outer rubber has worn through. Think of it like wearing through the sole of your shoe until your sock, or even your foot, is touching the ground. At that point, the shoe is no longer doing its job. A tire is the same idea, except the consequences are much more serious. Now, why does this happen? The most common reason is simple. The tire has been driven too long after the tread wore out. Every tire has a limited life. As miles add up, the tread gets thinner. Eventually, if it is not replaced, the tire wears down into the internal layers. But sometimes wires show up even before the whole tire looks bald. You might see them only on the inside edge, the outside edge, or in one small patch. That usually means there is another problem causing uneven wear. One major cause is poor alignment. Alignment means the wheels are pointed at the correct angles. If the alignment is off, the tire may scrub against the road instead of rolling cleanly. That can wear one edge very quickly. Another common cause is improper inflation. If a tire is underinflated, meaning it does not have enough air pressure, the outer edges can wear faster and the tire can overheat. If it is overinflated, the center of the tread may wear faster. Either way, wrong tire pressure shortens tire life. Suspension problems can also cause exposed wires. Your suspension is the system of parts that helps the vehicle ride smoothly and keeps the tires planted on the road. Worn shocks, struts, ball joints, bushings, or wheel bearings can make a tire bounce, tilt, or wear unevenly. And of course, neglected maintenance plays a role too. If tires are not rotated, inspected, or checked for pressure, uneven wear can sneak up on you. Here's a real-world example. Imagine someone has a front tire that looks okay from the outside, but the inside edge, the part that is harder to see, is completely worn down. From a normal standing position, they might not notice anything. Then one day, while turning the wheel in a parking lot, they spot metal cords showing on the inner shoulder of the tire. That usually did not happen overnight. It may have been caused by months of bad alignment, wrong tire pressure, or worn suspension parts. Now let's talk about the risk. A tire with wires showing has a much higher chance of sudden failure. The exposed wires mean the tire is already structurally compromised. The rubber that protects those belts is gone. Moisture, heat, road debris, and stress can all make the damage worse. The biggest danger is a blowout. A blowout is when the tire rapidly loses air or comes apart while driving. At highway speed, that can cause the vehicle to pull hard to one side and become difficult to control. You also lose traction. With little or no tread left, the tire cannot grip the road properly, especially in rain. Braking distance gets longer. Steering response gets worse, and the tire is more likely to slide. Even if the tire is still holding air right now, that does not mean it is safe. Holding air is only one part of a tire's job. It also has to handle heat, weight, cornering, braking, bumps, potholes, and speed. So, can you drive on it for a little while? For normal driving, the answer is no. Do not treat it like a tire that just needs attention soon. Treat it like a tire that has already failed inspection. If you notice wires showing while parked at home, the safest move is not to drive the vehicle. Use a spare tire if your vehicle has one and you know how to install it safely. Or call roadside assistance, a mobile tire service, or a tow truck. If you discover it while you are already driving, slow down smoothly, avoid hard braking, avoid sharp turns, and get to a safe place as soon as possible. Do not get on the highway if you can avoid it. Do not drive across town hoping it will make it. The goal is to minimize risk and get the vehicle off that tire. Can it be repaired? Usually, no. A tire with exposed wires cannot be safely patched back into normal service. Tire repairs are meant for certain punctures in the tread area, like a small nail hole, when the tire structure is still intact. But once the belts or cords are exposed, the tire has worn beyond a safe repair limit. Replacement is almost always the only safe option. And here's an important point. Do not just replace the tire and ignore why it happened. If the wires were showing because of uneven wear, the new tire could get destroyed the same way. Your next steps are simple. First, stop normal driving on that tire. Second, check whether you have a safe spare. If you do, use it only as directed by the vehicle manufacturer. Many compact spare tires have speed and distance limits. Third, have the tire replaced. Fourth, ask the shop to inspect the other tires. If one tire is down to the wires, the others may also be close to unsafe. Fifth, have the alignment, tire pressure, and suspension checked, especially if the wear is only on one side or only on one tire. Now let's talk prevention. Check your tires at least once a month. Look across the whole tread, not just the outer edge you can see easily. Turn the steering wheel to get a better look at the front tires. Check tire pressure when the tires are cold, meaning before you have driven far. Use the pressure listed on the sticker inside the driver's door, not the maximum number printed on the tire sidewall. Rotate your tires on schedule. Rotation means moving tires to different positions on the vehicle so they wear more evenly. Pay attention to warning signs. If the car pulls to one side, the steering wheel is off-center, you feel vibration, or one tire is wearing faster than the others, get it checked. And do not wait until a tire is bald. Tires should be replaced before they reach the point where cords or belts are exposed. The big takeaway is this: wires showing on a tire means the tire is no longer just worn. It is unsafe. It might still be round. It might still hold air. It might even feel normal at low speed. But the protective rubber is gone. The internal structure is exposed, and the tire can fail without much warning. Before your next drive, take 30 seconds and look at your tires. Check the inner and outer edges. If you see wires, cords, cracks, bulges, or extremely low tread, do not ignore it. Get the tire inspected and replaced. Your tires are the only part of your car touching the road. When they are telling you something is wrong, listen early. Because the cheapest tire problem is the one you fix before it becomes an emergency. If this helped you understand what exposed tire wires really mean, take a moment today to check your tires, and share this with someone who might be driving on worn rubber without realizing it.